Caleb, in this video, we are going to...
Go.
Oo. Oh, no. Okay. The sounds of animals. Okay.
Mouse
Oo.
down.
Okay. What is the sounds of dog? R. Very good. What is the sounds of cat? Very good. What is the sounds of lion? Very good. What is the sounds of tiger? What is the sounds of cow? Very good. What is the sounds of duck? Very good. What is the sounds of chicken? Oh, very good. What is the sounds of horse? Very good. What is the sounds of frog? Very good. Oh, what is the sounds of snake? Very good. Oh, very good, baby Caleb. Thank you for watching. Bye, guys. Bye, guys na. Bye, guys. Bye.